Welcome to welding shop. Now see that first name this one butt joint, second experiment in gas welding process. First explain the tools first. Explain the tools. This one name leather gloves. This one name leather gloves. This one using for only safety precaution. First this one used for safety gloves. Second one this one name for goggles in eye protections. This one used only for goggles using gas welding method. This one safety in safety items. This one safety items. Next one this one name for workpiece. Workpiece means two strips. Two strips in gas welding workpiece name mild steel in this one length bar 100, length 100, 30 breadth, this one 3 mm, sheet bar 3 mm. Two mild steel flat work pieces. Mild steel two work pieces. In next one, this one name for 12-inch flat file. 12-inch flat file using for filing process. Using for filing. This one name for filler rod. Filler rod this one 0.5 to 2.5. This one for 1.5 mm dia CCMS filler rod. Copper coated mild steel. This one for material. This one material record. This one name steel ruler. You check the dimension using for in mild steel flat workpiece. This one name steel ruler. Next one. This one for using for gas cylinder openers key. Gas cylinder openers key in the axle and acetylene. Two side. One for axle, other one for acetylene. Two side using the only for gas cylinder opener key. Next one, this one name for spark lighter. Spark lighter means only for sparking for using the gas welding. This one. This one last finally this one name metal tongs. Metal tongs you heat the metal, you lifting the plate only for using for metal tongs only. Don't use the hand. Only for using for metal tongs. First this one tools is explained completed. Next level is a filing process in for both are in all four side filing. In first experiment butt joint in filing process next level. This one name bench wise. This one name bench wise. This one for fixed movable jaw. This one movable jaw. This one fixed jaw. This one fixed jaw. This one movable jaw in fixed jaw. In clockwise position is a tight. Anti-clockwise position is a loose. Release the workpiece. How to check there in first bench wise. First you collect the two workpieces. Two workpieces already check the dimension how much 130 into 3 mm. Filing process. How to filing first you level surface level even. Now second level this one name flat file, this one only for rough file. Slightly filing. In the all the four side filing. All the four side filing. Now see that. Maximum height and 5 mm to 10 mm. On the two metal strips and finish to 90 degree. You level the surface. The filing, after you check there, file the edges of the two metal strips and finish to 90 degree. You check the level. Check the level. All the four side level. Clean any dust, oil or grease on the joint surface to be welded at that time. Place the two strips on level surface on the gas welding table in fire bricks. Next in fire bricks table. Next level in welding. You see the drawing in gas welding technique. How to use the blow pipe and filler rod. Leftward welding, this one backward motion, this one left and rightward. This one rightward in welding, this one leftward, right hand and left hand welding. In filler rod, 30 to 40 degree of the angle. In blow pipe, in 60 degree of the angle. This one backward motion or leftward welding. Leftward welding, now see that. This one blow pipe angle, this one filler rod angle. 30 to 40 degree of the filler rod. In two technique of the gas welding method. Now see there influence of the discharge velocity and amount of heat. Now see there. This one low. Soft flame. Soft flame means carburetion flame. This one next, medium flame. Medium flame means in neutral flame. This one flame only for oxidizing flame or high flame, high hard flame. The flame setting is important. Next level in gas welding. This one name gas welding. So name gas welding. We use for cylinders, two cylinders. One for axle. This one name axle cylinder. This one acetylene cylinder. Two cylinder using for gas welding. This one name cylinder opener key. You open the gas using for a cylinder opener key. First you opener for the cylinder in axle. This one name regulator, two stage of regulator. This one for inner pressure, this one outer. This one inner pressure, you check the cylinder, 125 kg per centimeter square in the inner pressure. In working pressure, 1 kg per centimeter square. Using for only gas welding in only for axial gas. This one name acetylene. This one name acetylene cylinder. In using for in working pressure only for 0.15 to 0.25 in working pressure. Inner pressure means 16 kg per DA. This one name acetylene. Okay, also connected on the hose. Hose is identification of hose black, blue, green for in axial. Black, blue, green for in axial hose for identification. In red or maroon color hose in acetylene gas. The two hoses connected on the two regulator. This is also connected on the low pressure blow pipe. This one name low pressure blow pipe. Low pressure blow pipe, two type of blow pipes. Low pressure blow pipe, high pressure blow pipe. Gas welding method, low pressure blow pipe. This one name for acetylene valve. This one name for axial valve. This one axial valve. This one acetylene valve. This area mixing chamber. This area mixing chamber. This one name nozzle. In name for total name. This one name for low pressure blow pipe.
Okay.
To make a butt joint using two given a mild strip, two size of in workpiece 130 into 3 mm. This one name butt joint. Next one using for gloves. This one name gloves. This one name for gloves, hand gloves. This one other one name this safety for this one goggles. Goggles for top floor clean without oil, grease and water waste. For safety precautions is important in welding shop. Always work with proper equipment like gloves and goggles. Always wear safety shoe inside a welding shop. Always keep cylinder upright position in cylinders. Do not operate any equipment without knowing about that equipment. Safety precaution in welding shop. Already butt joint using for into metal workpiece in for 130 into 3 mm sheet. Material required 100 into 30 into 3 mm mild steel flat workpiece. This one 100 into 30 into 3 mm for mild steel flat workpiece. Material other one this one name for 1.5 mm dia CCMS filler rod, copper coated mild steel. This one name copper coated mild steel filler rod using for material required in gas welding. Find the edges of the two metal strips and finish to 90 degree in level surface level. Next, this one clean any dust, rust, oil or grease on the joint surface. Third, place the two strips on level surface on the gas welding table. Gas welding table in fire bricks. This one gas welding table for fire bricks. What is gas welding? Gas welding is also widely used to joint metal plates. The filler rod and parent metal plates are melted by the heat of the flame produced using oxygen and acetylene gas mixture. The component used in gas welding, oxygen and acetylene gas cylinder with pressure regulator and pressure cages. Welding torch where flame obtained by the mixing the oxygen and acetylene. Hoses is black oxygen and maroon color is acetylene color to connect the gas cylinder and welding torch. This one name gas welding. How to gas welding working in next level in the gas welding. Okay. First you how to work on gas welding. First you slightly open bar acetylene valve. First slightly open bar acetylene valve. Using bar this one name spark lighter. How to work you see that. Slightly open bar acetylene. Next this one name oxygen. This one name for oxygen. Next this one name oxygen valve. You slightly open bar in oxygen valve. Flame setting is completed. Next level in for in welding, gas welding for in mild strips workpiece. Hold the gas torch nozzle by the right hand angle 60 degree. Right hand angle is 60 degree. Over the joint of the two strips to be gas welded and hold the filler welding rod by the left hand angle in 30 degree. This one name gas welding flame type in three type of flame. First one this one name carburizing flame. This one type carburizing flame. Excess acetylene used for carburizing, more than acetylene gas using for carburizing flame. This type of flame, carburizing flame. This temperature in maybe 3000. This one 3000 degrees Celsius in temperature. In using for metal, only for steel pipes. Only for steel pipe. Next, now see that they change the flame setting. Next flame setting name. This one type of flame, neutral flame. This type of flame, neutral flame. This one temperature 3200. This one temperature for 3200. In which material to be welded on? This one steel pipe, alloy steels. This one cast iron, copper, aluminium. In also this one type of neutral flame setting. It will to be welded on this material. Next one, now see that excess action used for. Now, excess action used for this one acid-axing flame. This type of flame, acid-axing flame. Acid-axing flame, which material to be welded on? Only for copper, brass and bronze. To be welded in this material only using for acid-axing flame. This acid-axing flame temperature 3400 degrees Celsius. In this one, next using for now today gas welding type. This which material to be welded on? This one name mild steel workpieces to be welded. What type of flame setting? Only for neutral flame setting. Neutral flame setting for MS, SS, cast iron, copper in and also in welding for in cutting plates also using for neutral flame setting. Now see the neutral flame setting. Now see. First, heat the joint of two base metal by the neutral flame to red heat. Red heat. Red heat bring the filler rod and heat and also filler rod heat further till fusion take place. The tack weld made one by one side tack weld, other side tack weld. First you see the tack weld first. Now see the tack weld. Both are in the tack weld first. This one stage is, second stage is completed, tack weld is completed. In using for tanks, in lifting the plate, take the tanks using for tanks. This one name metal tanks, lifting the plate, tan the workpiece. This is next level in for welding. Run for welding steadily. The run welding is here steadily moving the gas flame over the joint from the right to left. Now see that. Angle is important. This one 60 degree of the angle in a blow pipe, 30 degree of the angle in a filler rod. This one finally for gas welding is completed. Finally gas welding is completed. This one name butt joint. We were using for gas welding method. In both our side completed on the joint for butt joint. Both our side is completed in gas welding. Thank you.